When you experience a loss covered by your policy, you file an insurance claim. Here is how that process actually works for you. A claim is essentially your formal request to an insurance company to pay for a loss according to the terms of your contract. Not every bad event is covered. Your policy specifically outlines which perils, like fire or theft, trigger a valid claim payout. The process involves notifying your company, gathering evidence, and working with an adjuster who determines the final value of your claim. Remember that you usually pay a deductible first. The insurance company only covers the remaining costs above that specific amount. Most of the time spent on a claim is in the review phase, where the company verifies the damages against your coverage limits. Having clear photos and detailed records is the best way to speed up your claim and ensure it is filed accurately. Review your policy annually so you understand exactly what you are covered for. Thanks for watching and stay financially prepared.